Hi, my name is Luke Kraushorn with QMT Windchimes. Today we're going to assemble the Arbor Display. We use the Arbor Display for our Festival, Arius, and Lakeshore Melodies wind chimes. Your Arbor will ship in 3 boxes. The long box contains the legs and the base. The medium box contains the top and the arms, and the small box contains the signs for your chimes. Look for a small box in box 1 with your display hardware. To assemble your Arbor Display, you'll need a cordless screwdriver. Step 1 is assembling the bottom of the display. It consists of 4 boards, each marked with the corners. So corner 1, 2, 3, and 4 will match up when it's assembled, and the numbers should face the inside of the display. The base uses 8 1.5-inch screws. Step 2 is assembling the top of the display. Again, the corners and each ends of the slats are marked with numbers. Slats with 1, 4, and 2 and 3 are at the bottom of the arc. 5 through 8 are at the top. 6 and 7 have center hooks, and those go in the middle of the top of the arch. To complete the top, fasten the 2 signs to each side of the arch. We're setting this display up as a Lakeshore Melodies display, but your display will ship with the signs to match your assortment. Once the screw has come out the other side of the wood, line it up with a pre-drilled hole in the back of the sign. Step 3 is assembling the base with the first 2 legs. Position the top and the bottom so that corners 1 and 2 are on the ground and corners 3 and 4 are up. To fasten the legs, use the 2-inch screws from the hardware kit. Line up the legs so that the label at the bottom is facing the wood and when assembled is hidden. For step 4, flip the display over and repeat for legs 3 and 4. To assemble the crossbars, stand your display upright. The crossbars use 1 1/4" screws from the hardware kit. Match the number on the crossbar to the marking on the pipe. Run the screw from the inside out into the wood. So put the slats in place with the finger tight screw and then tighten it fully with the cordless drill. For the side slats, there are 2 positions. The upper position is for Lakeshore Melodies. If you're selling Arius or Festival, then attach these to the lower position. Use the plastic hole plugs to fill the extra set of holes. To display your wind chimes, follow the suggested layout included in the written instructions that came with your display. Thank you for choosing Wind Chimes by QMT. We appreciate your business and we look forward to hearing from you soon.